Titan Stellar Watch. Features Titan Stellar Collection is a cosmic-inspired series of timepieces that incorporates rare materials like meteorite and tiger eye stone. Movements ranging from precise quartz to in-house automatic calibers. Materials features stainless steel or crystallized titanium cases, sapphire crystal, and premium straps. Design celestial-inspired dials with luminous hands and functions like day-night indicators. Durability: most models offer 5 ATM 50 meters, water-resistant. Jumping hour: some models utilize a micromotor-powered jumping hour disc paired with a rotating zodiac disc to map constellations. Sun-moon phases: many models in the KLM and Luna lines include floating sun-moon discs and dual moon phase displays that track lunar cycles from both hemispheres. Case materials: higher-end models use crystallized titanium or grade 5 titanium for lightweight strength, often paired with grade 5 bronze or ceramic bezels. Luminescence features: formed lume indices.